Good evening. It is 5:13 p.m., October 10th, Monday. Here for the session recap. It's going to be very quick because it was a very slow day, and it was as expected to be very slow given the holidays across Canada for Thanksgiving and Japan as well. There's bank holidays, and there's no economic activity. There's no events coming out, no data, no nothing. So it was very low expectations for the day. And on the US dollar here, basically, we were right here prior to the New York session. We came down, came up, came back down. So really very low volume, no real movement across that session. We are still within this bullish structure, printing these new highs, breaking above these highs. So we're still maintaining the same bias and analysis as done this morning in the Trade Idea webinar. So I'm not going to go into detail again. I'm just going to say that we just maintain pretty much the same price. In the equities, same thing, very low volume from these lows prior to the session. We just came up, came down, came back up, right? So we didn't go anywhere. We're still maintaining this overall bullish sentiment below these previous highs, and actually maintaining below the weekly key level here. So we are still bearish on the stock markets, and the overall sentiment is staying the same with dollar bulls, equity bears, as the rate hike cycle is getting priced in and is weighing the most on markets here. So all right, now on our pairs, let's go to our trade ideas first. On gold, we're looking at given the daily 4-hour and 1 hour bearish structure is active, the hawkish Fed is determined to bring inflation down. We know the fundamentals rates are going to continue to rise. They're going to stay high for all of 2023. There's no chance of a pivot, right? So we're looking for sells at 1688 retest or higher. We did not get that. Instead, we just broke down here. Did not give me any opportunity as I waited for a 1 hour candle close and then to get the retest here, but we're not yet getting the retest as of now, right? So as of now, there's no trade. As expected, very low volume volatility. We did get the break, didn't get the retest, but I do have a bearish bias going forward. Again, it was only Monday, so we did set new lower lows here. So if we do get a pullback, I'm going to be looking at the same levels basically for sells here, but now this zone is now going to become a potential sell zone at this point here. So overall, gold dipped as it basically is slow and steady, just continued to drop over Asian session, over London session, and over New York session without any real pullback. So I'll be waiting for a pullback to happen overnight. As little as it is, it could come up just to this level right here, 1675, and I'm going to continue to sell gold as mentioned in the pre-session analysis and trade ideas. We are resuming the overall macro bearish sentiment as pivot prayers got basically wiped out with the better than expected jobs data, and that the Fed keeps repeating themselves. Every single FOMC policymaker that's spoken in the last weeks has been extremely hawkish, extremely determined to bring inflation down, and that is what's going to be moving the markets as long as they maintain this hawkish Fed rhetoric. We are going to be looking for sells here, and GU was even more dead. Trade ideas was the sell on the retest of the 4-hour supply zone or a break and retest below this level, and we just ended up ranging. We didn't break anywhere, so there's no trades on GU. The analysis stays the same, and that's it. No point rambling on when I already talked about it in this morning session, so that's it.